Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox YouTube Shorts. First, let's dive into planning your content. Begin by identifying a truly compelling Roblox moment or a unique concept that will grab attention. Think about what makes a short video engaging and memorable. Plan a concise narrative arc, ensuring your story has a clear beginning, middle, and end, all within a brief time frame. Consider current Roblox trends and popular gameplays to inspire your ideas and maximize viewer interest. Next, let's talk about capturing and refining your footage. Utilize reliable screen recording software to ensure high-quality Roblox gameplay capture. When editing, it's crucial to format your video to a vertical aspect ratio, like 9:16, which is ideal for shorts. Aim to keep your final video length between 15 and 60 seconds to maintain viewer attention and meet platform guidelines. Enhance your short with engaging background music, crisp sound effects, and clear text overlays to boost its appeal. Now, let's optimize your short for YouTube. Craft a catchy title and a descriptive summary, incorporating relevant keywords that potential viewers might search for. Don't forget to include a few relevant hashtags to significantly increase your video's discoverability within the Shorts feed. While thumbnails are less prominent for Shorts, a well-designed one can still attract clicks from other parts of YouTube. Understanding the YouTube Shorts algorithm will also help you tailor content for maximum reach. Finally, it's time to publish and promote your amazing Roblox short. Upload your completed video directly to YouTube, ensuring all your optimization efforts are in place. Don't stop there. Share your short across other social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or X to broaden its audience. Actively engage with comments and feedback from your viewers to build a community. Lastly, analyze your video's performance metrics to understand what resonates, helping you refine your strategy for future content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.